So today we will take your water behaviour from this to this with one simple product, and that is Auto Finesse Lavish. Their new, well, fairly new, ceramic foam. Ceramic foam, interesting. For me, I think it gets its name from the water behaviour that you get from this crazy product. A little bit different to what most people do with snow foam, but I think you'll like this one. Now, traditionally with snow foams, of course, you'd use it as a pre-wash. However, this one comes after the wash. So, whatever car you're washing or caring for, make sure you do your wheels and your body work prior to using Lavish, and then you'll use Lavish after the car's been washed to protect the car. Now, Auto Finesse say that Lavish should last you up to 6 months. If you live in California, quite possibly. I don't. I can see this lasting in British weather a good 3 months, and that's me being fair. Now here I'm working on a SLK 55 AMG, a little bit of a pocket rocket. The car's been washed with a pH neutral car shampoo in a good correct manner, and as you can see from the door, there's not a lot of water behaviour going on. The water sheets and disperses slowly. There's no real hydrophobic qualities to it. Now this will be improved with Lavish, however we'll also improve the gloss levels of the car, which is the most impressive part for me. First things first, with any snow foam, be it Lavish or Avalanche, I always put the water in the bottle first. Find your 800ml line and top it up. This gives you 200ml worth of product. This works on Avalanche and Lavish. Next, take your Lavish and top it up. I do it this way around so I don't activate any foaming agents too early with the tap water. Just the way I do it. Some people will tell me wrong, some people might like it. Who knows what you like. With your snow foam gun filled up, it's time to foam up. It's not as thick as a normal snow foam, but it's not designed to dwell and clean like a normal snow foam. What we're doing here is laying down a hydrophobic layer that will act as protection on your car. And what you'll notice is, it's not as thick as your normal foaming cleaners. It's not got as much foaming agent in it. Instead, we're using the foam gun to evenly spread the product out across the surface. Now, doesn't have to sit for too long, 2 to 3 minutes, do the whole car, just make sure it doesn't start to dry out. Here you can see that actually the foam's dropped off quite a way before I come back and rinse it off. Now, having been part of the research and development team on this product, I know that the more you rinse the product, the better it works. So a quick splash off with water doesn't really work for this product. Be quite aggressive in the manner in which you rinse it, and that will come through in the video. Now I'm sure you believe, actually the beading gets better the more you rinse it. It is quite incredible, to be fair. Not only will it add beading protection to your car, it'll actually enhance the gloss. Now this is the crazy bit, and you won't believe it until you pick a bottle up for yourself. I'm not getting paid to say that, funnily enough, but it genuinely does enhance gloss levels like no other. Now this isn't replacing paint correction or hand polishes or waxes or ceramic coatings. What this is doing is making your life a little bit easier when you haven't got time and you've got to go out for dinner with the other half, or you've got kids indoors, or maybe it's a parky winter's day and you haven't got the time to be spending out there. This is that easy way of gaining protection across your car within an extra 5 minutes of your wash process. And as you can see, it's not just beading, it sheets off lovely too. As always, really appreciate you tuning in and watching, and be sure to share, like, comment and subscribe for more detailing videos in the near future. Cheers!